Ariva in a real sense has especially become one of the most moving and gainful essentially modernized assets of this fall. In an exceptionally significant manner, the improvement bunch generally calls it a token for tourists in a significant manner. In this article we in every practical sense contemplate different market opinions on Arv trading perspectives and by and large explore different Ariva kind of long stretch expense guesses in an especially huge manner. How does Ariva work? Ariva is a BEP20 in every practical sense token created using Binance Chain Association in an especially significant manner. The cryptographic cache certainly is based on branching out to generally be genuinely more accurate on most certainly close by and large overall. The movement business Ariva is an endeavor that conveys cryptographic cache basically closer to this very present reality, which generally is very critical, focusing in on the movement business Ariva for the most part. Offers explorers a genuinely phenomenal experience of going all around the planet by outfitting a by and large basic strategy for paying with cryptographic cache. The target of the Ariva bunch fundamentally is to explicitly make an essentially overall travel network that would generally allow travelers both to spend computerized money for example on booking comfort and to get rewards fundamentally. As opposed to mainstream thinking, the essentially last choice fundamentally is planned for individuals who truly decide to impart their development experiences to other people, which really is genuinely huge. The Ariva blockchain climate contains 3 sections, all of them are being created at the hour of making incredibly Ariva world. It is a section where crypto wanderers can find a sensible suggestion and pay for it all that will be available on the delivery boardroom reservations vehicle, pretty rental organizations, guides for enlisting, and gifts for mentioning which for the most part is very critical Ariva Finance or so they thought convenience associations can integrate Ariva Finance into their locales or applications offering visitors trades with unimportant charges with the help of the assistance clients will very need to truly make portions as truly straightforward as ABG sincerely look at the QR code and the resources will generally be credited to the trader in a split especially second Ariva club in an especially large manner. It most certainly is a casual association where vagabonds can share their development experiences and leave overviews about establishments in spite of mainstream thinking. By sharing their impressions and content notes photos or accounts tourists will really need to ensure compensations in a sort of huge manner Arv particular assessment while discussing future trading chances of truly progressed money related principles you should constantly by and large make sure to consider the evaluations of crypto market trained professionals. And spotlight on market sentiments which explicitly is genuinely critical as of now we ought to basically explore what dealers and crypto fans expect from Ariva Arv later on or so they fundamentally thought the data basically is given by the cryptological source TradingView Ariva Worth Assumption 2022. According to the in every practical sense particular assessment of Ariva costs expected in 2022, the base cost of Ariva will basically be 0.000222865, the most in every practical sense outrageous level that the Arv cost can reach really is 0.000026767 or so they generally thought the commonplace trading cost basically is somewhat typical around 0.000237995 or so. They generally thought Arv worth gauge for May 2022. Considering the worth changes of Ariva around the beginning of 2022, crypto experts expect the normal Arv speed of 0.0019541 in May 2022, which is very huge. Its base and most prominent expenses can be expected at 0.000017680 and at 0.000200099 independently. June 2022 Ariva worth gauge cryptographic cache experts are ready to pronounce their figure for the Arv cost in June 2022. The base trading cost may by and large be 0.0001958, while the best could generally reach 0.000210076 during this month, which is very critical overall. it explicitly is really considered common that the kind of worth of Ariva may for the most part be around 0.000203323 Arv worth guess. For July 2022 crypto specialists truly sort of taken a gander at the worth changes of Ariva in 2022 and in prior years, so the ordinary Arv rate they expect might be around 0.0020932 in July 2022. It can drop to 0.000201888 as a base, which is genuinely critical. The best worth may really be 0.000218889, which sort of is very critical. August 2022 Ariva worth measure toward the middle of the year 2022. The Arv cost will explicitly be traded at 0.0002135 an essentially huge in a fundamentally large manner. August 2022 could in like manner in every practical sense notice a development in the Ariva worth to 0.000222726. It explicitly is acknowledged that the expense won't drop for the most part lower than 0.000200420 in August 2022, which fundamentally is very critical. Arv worth figure for September 2022. Crypto experts have essentially separated Ariva costs in 2022, so they really are ready to give their evaluated trading. Fundamentally typical to September 2022 0.0002205. Amazingly, the most insignificant and certainly top Arv rates may in a real sense be 0.0002146 and 0.0002358, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. October 2022 Ariva worth gauge. Crypto analysts explicitly expect that close to the completion of summer 2022, the Arv cost will be around 0.000222871 fundamentally, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In October 2022, the Ariva cost could drop to at particularly the least 0.0002191 in a very enormous manner. The in every way that really matters typical apex all things considered worth may especially be 0.0002469 in October 2022 or so. They truly thought Arv worth gauge for November 2022. Having especially analyzed Ariva costs, cryptographic cash experts expect that the Arv rate could truly show up at a constraint of 0.000258834 in November 2022. In a genuinely significant way, it might regardless drop to 0.000223988 in a truly significant way for November 2022. The assessed typical of Ariva really is nearly 0.000233328, which basically is very huge. December 2022 Ariva worth measure around mid-2022. The Ariva cost will sort of be traded at the ordinary level of 0.000233795 in an unpretentious manner. Crypto specialists explicitly expect that in December 2022, the Arv cost could sway someplace in the scope of 0.000222865 and 0.0002767 in a genuinely significant manner. Ariva worth estimate 2023. After the assessment of the expenses of Ariva in prior years, it sort of is normal that in 2023, the base expense of Ariva will be around 0.000344986, which especially is very critical. The most in every way that really matters outrageous expected Arv cost could truly be around 0.000410998 all around. The trading cost